Look what we've got here. Look at those feet. Yellow feet, black stilt legs. Okay, how big are you? You're about the size of... oh, I don't know, but there you go. Small duck. Female. Smaller, maybe 2/3 of the size of a fully grown female duck. Whatever. I love it when the grebes have their wings outstretched, like they're posing or something. They always like to be on those buoys. It's a little far out even for this lens. You'll have to trust me. Ha! He's just sitting there with his wings outstretched. Suppose the sun must be over there, catching the rays. It's a very cool morning. Life is good. Little shorebirds there. I forget what they're called. I'm not talking about the 3 that you see to the right. I'm talking about the little guys that are on the beach to the left. Sometimes they move. Yeah, they're moving around now. See that? There, one just took off. I'm not here all the time, so who knows, maybe they're here a lot. Let's just say that. So let's see how many I can count. Oh, it's so cute. It's got like a white belly, sort of gray feathering on the back, and a little bit of white under the chin and gray on the top. Really hard to see them. They're running along the shore. Why would they do that? Oh no, maybe there's a killdeer. Those, yeah, I think so, because they've got those little rings further down in their neck. Good morning. Yeah, I think it's killdeer. Kind of hard for you to see, I'm sure. And they all took off. To the other side of the lagoon. See them? Across, across. Circling back. Where are you going, my friends? Who knows? And then there are just 4 left on the beach. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. I don't know if those are killdeer. I think maybe they're not. Yeah, they look different. Oh no, that's got the rings. This guy has the rings around his neck. They have that lovely sound. Hear that? That's the killdeer sound. so loud. Toot, toot. Slightly better view from the bridge. And then two more. Well, okay, so the question. Two more large white birds that look like egrets. Are these? Oh, there you go, Killdeer. Yeah, so these are bigger. So these might be great egrets. Yeah, there's that big guy. That might even be the same big guy we saw earlier. I don't know if that's another one. Looks like it. So grebe over there diving for stuffed fish, I guess. See if he comes up. It's gonna be hard for me to find him when he comes up because of this lens. Oh, he came up over there and he went back down. Oh no, he's up. Let's see if I can get closer. Is it a grebe? And he's down. Ooh, what are you? Look at you. Where are you now? There you are. I don't know if we'll be able to tell what you look like here. Can you make that noise again? Alright. Hi!
Belted kingfisher.
Where?
See the red pole in the water?
Oh, great blue heron and belted kingfisher, which I didn't even see. And I don't think my camera will capture it, so I'll just have to take your word for it.
Yeah, pretty far away.
Belted kingfisher.
It's a common loon.
Where? Okay, I just met friend Tracy. And she says it's a common loon. I'll never get it right. Happy just to watch and surmise. Okay, let's see. So, the guy we were watching in the water, I can even figure out where everything is in this camera. Okay, I think it's over there. Yeah. Now we'll zoom back in. Is a common loon. Common loon. Common loon. Tracy has a 100-400 lens and she travels with her binocs. You move.